Alright guys, Tony here, and following the product launch that we did last week, it was just a mini launch, just to see how it would go, and we've done almost 500 sales from that, and basically there was not a lot of affiliates promoting, so you've got a real chance here to make some good money, especially if you have got an email list who is into hands-free traffic and rankings. And I'm not joking, okay, this is serious stuff. This is the world's first AI autoblogger. This is the world's first autoblogger that autoblogs into medium.com. That combination is really powerful, and that combination is very, very, very sellable. You can make some very good money with this. And I just did a sort of walkthrough of the software. I put that link underneath, or that video underneath this one. If you scroll down this JV page, if you're watching from the JV page, and you can see the rankings as well, just from doing some tests, and you can see the quality of the content as well. So all of this is really, really simple stuff to be able to sell, because the proof is there, the power is there. We know the power of medium.com for ranking, and being able to do content just by putting in some headlines and you know, creating content from there that ranks. Well, that's really powerful stuff. Okay, so what we can do then is we can take those rankings and we can put better content in there once we know we have got rankings and traffic, etc. And that's basically the best way possible to be able to do to find keywords that you can rank for without any trouble. And basically then you can do your marketing once you know you've already got traffic. All you have to do is improve the content. So anyway, let's have a look at the funnel. If for those who promoted last week's the Google site poster, you will be familiar with some of this. Okay, it's built on the same framework as what we did with the Google Sites poster, and as of now we still have no refunds, absolutely zero refunds on the Google site poster, which is kind of surprising because it's a Windows desktop tool. I was expecting to get some refunds, but nothing yet. We have improved that tool since the launch as well, and people are happy with it, and we will do the same for this as well. Now, the front end offer, it will start at $27 and $37 for 1 and 2 computers licenses. And what we do is we set up for a dime sale to increase by $1 every 10 sales. Okay, so this can put some scarcity, and it helps to get people buying straight away. Last week I made a mistake. I'm not used to doing stuff in the Warrior Plus. I usually have people do that for me, and I forgot to put it into the marketplace. I didn't realize that you had to submit it to the marketplace. I just thought you got auto approved and it would go in there. And in the first 36 hours I had done something like $10,000 just from my own email list. This one is going to be bigger because it's auto blogging, and it's artificial intelligence articles. You just have to give their title, etc. And it's medium.com. It's going to sell. It just has to sell. It's just really popular. If you have an SEO list, people understand the power of Medium. Okay, so the OTO one, well, we have a Google rank checker like we had last week for the Google Sites poster. The difference this week is that we have added a tool that increases engagement in medium.com. Medium.com has something called claps. Now, claps are like upvotes, so we have automated that you can upvote your own content from different Google accounts, and you can comment from different Google accounts as well. So we're bundling that tool in with the OTO. So even if somebody bought that similar tool last week with the Google Sites poster, then they got some extra reason to buy this week's, because it's going to have that medium.com engagement tool included in that OTO at the same price. Okay, so there's no extra to pay there. And then for the OTO 2, we have Medium RSS syndication. This is a good tool for being able to get your medium.com post indexed quickly, okay, because what it does is it mashes up some RSS feeds, it does some syndication and some SEO kind of ninja stuff, and it uses FeedBurner and Google, which is owned by Google, and it also does some pinging and indexing to RSS directories and stuff like that as well. So it's a powerful tool. So that one is there for the OTO2. And then the OTO 3 and OTO 4, $67.97 per year for this one. I think this will sell well this week. Last week we had it $197 for a 2-computer license. This week we're putting in $97 per year, 1 computer license. I expect us to sell. This is a tool that will go and create thousands of accounts at the click of a button, and it will post social bookmarking and Web 2.0 kind of backlinks, and it's really quick and easy to use. They can even add their own emails, like the own domains that they can buy on GoDaddy or Namecheap. We actually create email servers from that, or they can use ours, so they don't need to be using stuff like Hotmails and Gmails and stuff like that. We have too many problems trying to work with those kind of sites. So what we do with this is we create our own email domains, and we let other people do the same thing using our system. All they have to do is add their Namecheap API, for example, and we will go and create an email server for them, automatic in the background, that they can use. That helps them to get higher success rate with the account creation, and they can verify their emails immediately within the software. It's all automated. It's literally like 3 or 4 clicks to be able to go and get thousands of accounts created and also post the bookmarks. So that OTO4, I expect it's going to be very, very popular this week, because we brought the price down to $97 yearly. Other people would be charging $97 a month for this. Really, it's that good. It's really that good. And it's a powerful, powerful tool. They can create thousands of accounts, do thousands of social bookmarks, $97 a year. Try and sell that, because if you put a bonus on this, you're going to make good money from it. Crazy, crazy price. The OTO Freeze Vid Create Alpha. This is one of the best tools for creating, for doing research, first of all, for any niche. Within YouTube, you can actually dissect niches literally in minutes. I will do some training on that. And that sales page video will demonstrate that as such a powerful, powerful tool. I use that tool all the time when I want to do some niche research. Here's the thing about this. It will create playlists, and it will optimize playlists, and it does some on-page optimization for YouTube that nobody else is doing, and it works. It just plain works. There's actually a tool in this light version that I use to go and get 50 page 1 rankings for compare car insurance keywords in every single US state in one campaign, just in one click of a button. Okay, so I had keywords like compare car insurance in Florida, compare car insurance in Texas, compare car insurance in New York, etc., etc., all 50 American states, exactly that keyword, compare car insurance in the name of the state, and 50 page 1 rankings in a single click. That's how powerful that is. That's how powerful the on-page optimization is with that, and it's automated. It's automated. Just click a button and it all happens. It's crazy, crazy stuff. That OTO3, I will do that demo. I will show that demo on the sales page. It's bound to sell. There's good money in this funnel, guys. Jump in this one. This is a really, really, really good offer. It's the first AI autoblogger, the first autoblogger tool for Medium, and the funnel will convert. Thanks for watching.